Hello children, welcome back to my channel. And yes, this is me, Shalu Artistic Official. So today's video I am going to show how to teach nursery students at home. So when you start going to teach nursery students, you have to use plain white paper or plain white notebook. So personally I suggest a white notebook because paper you will put here and there. They should be able to write A to Z with respect to numbers 1 to 20. Start with strokes always. We have 10 strokes. So the child should learn these 10 strokes. This is a standing line. So this is how you have to make a grids for them. Now just have a dot in every single boxes just to make to understand it. So let the child will trace standing line, standing line, standing line. So very important, the child should say and trace standing line. Like this, just the child should understand where we have to start the line. If you won't give the box, the child won't be understand where we have to start a line. This point will help you where the child should start a line. And now the child will start writing standing line, standing line, standing line. After this is over, the same pattern will be continued in the next page. So shall we start our another pattern, children? Yeah, and this is sleeping line. So this is how you have to make a grids for them. Now just have a dot in every single boxes just to make to understand it. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So let the child will finish the whole exercise like this. Standing line pattern and also the sleeping line pattern. So in the same way you have to teach the children all the 10 strokes by using the same formulas. So now you have to teach them a standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line and crooked line. So these are the 5 basic strokes that you have to teach your children. And left curve, right curve, down curve, up curve and a circle. And finally, these are the 10 strokes that you have to practice your child every day. I hope now you would understand how to start teaching to write nursery students. So if you really liked my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you children.